Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Peace here. If you're new, karibu sana sana. So in this video I'm going to do a tutorial on how I have stretched my hair using the African threading method, and oh my god, I'm so excited. I think my hair looks so amazing. I feel like Makoma, I feel so powerful, Wakanda forever. Yeah, so if you're new, please subscribe below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below and tell me what you think about my hair, if you've ever done African threading method, if you think you will try it. I try to explain it as much as possible, so yeah. Anyway, so let's get to the video.
You're going to need water or any water-based moisturizer, leave-in conditioner, an oil and a comb, and yarn. Basically anyway. So yeah, so I'm just starting off to moisturize I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, but my hair has dried completely, so I'm just moisturizing it back, and I'm using the Marine Naturals spritz, the Dark and Lovely Not Out conditioner, and shea butter. In LOC, you know, you apply the liquid, you apply the oil to seal in the moisture, and then the cream. So I'm going to section my hair for the threading. And then I'm going ahead to measure the length of my hair against the yarn or the string. It doesn't work because, you know, like you will wrap the yarn around your hair, so it's not really accurate. Just estimate the length of the yarn against your hair. I'm just grabbing my hair and attaching the yarn at the base of the hair, and then just going around and wrapping the yarn round and round and round they went. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, guys. I know I look so pissed off and grumpy because I have been washing clothes, and then after washing clothes I washed my hair, so yeah, I'm kind of tired, and I'm like, when will this end? I need to get this done and rest. Yeah, so that's what's going on. And then when you get to the end of the hair, you're going to just cut the remaining piece of yarn. I see people making a knot at the end, but I don't really like to do that because I might knot it together with the hair and it will rip the hair, the ends of the hair. So I'm just cutting off the excess yarn. And that's it, guys. That is the grift. You grab your hair at the root, then as you can see, I'm demonstrating here, attach the yarn to the thumb, then roll it and roll it and roll it until it's firm enough, and from there, even if you release your hair, it won't unravel. Yeah, and then round and round we'll go, and round and round and round. Let me tell you guys, this is not an easy task. It's not easy because the yarn, first of all, is very slim or thin, so it hurts your hands. And then, especially if you have long hair, you can see I take a lot of time to wrap the yarn around my hair. Yeah, this was some work, you guys, but I'm so eager to see how the result will turn out. That's why I'm just, you know, I'm like, you can do this, please, you can do this. So, you know, guys, the drift moisturizing LOC method. Hey, yes, you're my African beauty. I was trying to psych myself up because I was like, in this video, I've not even smiled. I will put some music on and dance to it. Nothing I wouldn't do. Yeah, so here is the next day. As you can see, I joined the hair. As you can see, I joined the hair together. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just unraveling the yarn. That is, yeah, I'm just unraveling. You can see what I'm doing. I don't have to explain everything. And then the drama continues to. So you'll grab the string on one hand, and then the other one will help your hair to unravel. Sometimes when you pull the string, the hair unravels, but when your hair is longer, it doesn't like. Yeah, so you will have to help your hair go around the string, and that's what I'm doing. As you can see, guys, my hair looks very stretched. It's shiny, it's moisturized, and I love how it's looking, you guys. Wow. And then I realized my hair is actually longer than I imagined it to be, because I don't really know the length of my hair. So when I was stretching it, I was like, oh my god, my hair is so long. Here I'll just combing it out with a wide tooth comb. From the tip, very gently. And yeah, that is the result, guys. Look at how bomb I look. Yes, honey. She's not even smiling. I don't know what's wrong with her.
And this is why, guys, you shouldn't use combs, or you should reduce using combs. Look at the hair I've lost. Oh my goodness. And I could have lost more, it's just that I saw the hair was really breaking, and I was like, my hands can do the trick. And how do you like it, guys? Oh my goodness, my hair is so bulky. I love it so much. Oh my god. I think I'll be doing this more often. I love straight hair now. I mean, like, for the back. Shape it, keep it go. Yes, honey. But definitely I can't do it like that, because when the wind hits it, we're back to the tangles, we're back to the tangles. So I'm just doing this for you guys. But I love it. Oh, I feel like I look like what's her name? What's her name? The one who has sang what's her name? Makoma. Yes, I think I look like Makoma. I should start a band. Anyone who wants to join my band, comment below. Enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. So that's it, guys. Just remember, you are loved, you are appreciated, you are worthy, and you deserve all that life can give you. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Bye, see you next time.